Lee and I were kind of scrambling to get up out of the water. We scrambled to the ledge of the house. There were two people sitting up there with two dogs.
I was kind of in shock, and I said, just get us on the list to be rescued and get us out of here.
We've got two patients and two dogs and rescuers that need to get out of here.
We took them back in the first trip, then went back, started taking the firefighters to safety. This was not in anybody's pre-planning, nothing this big.
Expect the unexpected. That's what these professionals are trained to always keep in the forefront of their mind.
A hero to me is anybody that puts their own personal well-being in danger to help another. All of the fire and rescue guys during this flood were heroes.
You guys are all volunteers, and you basically were coming in and saving everybody. You did a great job.
Waterloo really came together through this whole thing. It was just a group effort of heroes.